Okay, now I'm going to interview the VP of Overseas Market, Anton Han. Okay, hello Anton Han. So the first question is, can you please tell me, talk something about the new product and the new technology of this time's open house?
Okay. This time we launched 3 products. Basically, first one is the Jets 400 and the 3000 Courier with running width up to 3 meters. And the maximum speed is 400 meters per minute. This is the first time we present this state-of-the-art machine in front of our customers and in our factory. And the second will be our flexo printers. We call it JS Folder. And we are going to demonstrate the 618, which is just the size is 600 by 1800, and with a case maker. And the other machine will be the same series but bigger size with 1200 by 2400. And the third is our intelligent factory concept. We're going to show our machines running in a miniatured factory, and the customer will see the material handling system running in real situation, and it will be very interesting to see how these machineries and facilities get controlled in our intelligent control system. I think that's all we're going to show.
Thank you. So the next question, so can you please tell me something about the effects to our international business of JS machine caused by COVID-19?
Well, I think this COVID-19 pandemic really created us a lot of problem this year, especially in the first half of the year. We are under a very big pressure because we think our sales and marketing activities will be dramatically affected by the block of all the international flights, including visas, and but luckily, ever since June, that we managed with a lot of orders, and then we get a clear picture, and we get more used to this new situation of this pandemic. But same time, we are still facing big pressure on the service side, because when we cannot dispatch our service engineers abroad, that sometimes create a lot of problems. But luckily, we have utilized a lot of new methods and approaches to solve our customers' problems and to respond to their request for the service. And the most widely used technology is our artificial intelligent helmet, which can allow us to get access to our customers' machines, control systems, to diagnose whether we have any problems in the PLC or in the softwares, something like that. And well, it runs quite good. And I would say we believe this situation, this pandemic, will give us less and less impact in the future, because we can see a lot of countries, they have done a lot of efficient job to control this virus. So, well, the good news is our customers and us, we get more used to the modern technology, especially the online methods. That's, I think, is not only a good news for our company, for us, but also good for the entire industry. I think that's the positive part. Well, the negative part, apparently, we assume that the economy will be, the global economy will be influenced in a long term, because anyway, we believe the overall needs from the customers will be reduced. So next year will be very tough for us, and also I think for everybody involved in this industry.
Okay, thank you. So we all hope that everything will go better in the future. Well, the next question will be, so what about the future development direction for JS Machine in the international business part?
Our core strategy in the future, in the development of our international business, is to be localized as much as possible. That's the most important principle in our operations. So you can see in the past few years we make investment in India. We have our own factory running in India, and last year we have done acquisition, and we established our R&D center in Europe since last year. We also have recruited a lot of local people in Southeast Asian markets. So all these operations that shows the ambition of JS to provide our customer with a better service and with a shorter response in answering our customers' service requests. So we believe that there will be more and more talented people joining our overseas sales, marketing, and technical support team, and we are very positive to see the response from the market.
All right. So thank you for the interview. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna interview the VP of Technology, Mr. 胡恒峰。胡总你好。那请问一下，就是今年的疫情呢，给瓦楞包装行业带来了一个不小的扰动。那作为业内人士，请问您是如何看待这样一个变化的呢？
大家知道，中国率先走出了疫情的困局，经济开始加速增长。可是呢，海外的市场停顿，一级厂的垂直并购整合。都给这个行业的竞争带来了加剧，那么质量、成本还有交期，都带来了一些竞争的压力。那么在这种情况下面，行业的集约化程度还会加剧。我们预计，大集团的并购整合，小的独立纸箱厂的超级工厂项目，还会加速的开展。
好，谢谢。
Mr. Hu, we know that the pandemic has brought a lot of disturbance into the industry this year. So, as an expert, how do you see these changes? Well, Mr. Hu says that everybody knows that China has almost overcome the pandemic and the economy has started rapid growth. And this is really a great thing. So, but the pause of the overseas markets and the vertical integration of the paper mills and all these factors will increase the competition among the domestic players. In aspects such as the cost, quality, and time of delivery. And we've also estimated that the integration level will still be enhanced. We've seen that there is a trend in the mergers among big players and also the further development of independent players.
那胡总，接下来能否请您谈一下关于金山清基的产品的发展策略呢？
金山清基是一个63年的长寿企业了，专注包装行业也有30年的历史。通过对美国、日本瓦楞行业的观察， 我们很早就认识到行业的长期发展趋势，并且平稳度过了多个行业周期。最近10年，我们坚定高端精品和国际化的发展战略，主动放弃了一些低端市场和初级产品，紧跟瓦楞行业的高速发展，集中精力开发出高效、自动、更可靠、更节能的产品。
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Hu, would you please talking about the product development strategy of JS Machine? And as Mr. Hu says, JS Machine is a company with 63 years and who has concentrated in the carton packaging machinery for more than 30 years. So according to the investigation and survey of the industry in the United States and Japan, we've recognized in very early times about the development trend of the industry, and by using that technology, JS Machine has smoothly overcome several life cycles in the industry. And in recent 10 years, we are strictly adhere to our high-end exquisite product strategy and also internationalization strategy, in which we have actively give up some low-end and entry-level products. JS Machine is getting closely to the rapid growth of the industry and concentrated in developing and researching in the products with higher efficiency, higher automation level, and high reliability and higher energy efficiency products. Thank you.
Thank you. 好，接下来能否再请您谈论一下关于金山清基在研发方面的一些布局和动向呢？
好的，助力中国制造成就世界品牌是我们秉承的使命。20年来，我们一直运营着国家级企业技术中心，现在又有了新的发展。2015年，我们在武汉建立了中央研究院，从事控制算法类的研究。17年，收购了深圳的一家机器视觉的研究团队，将视觉技术导入到包装机械。19年，在意大利成立子公司，开展欧洲技术协同。近些年，持续每年在研发创新上的投入有5到6千万。坚持自主创新与开放合作相结合，产学联合与海外引进为助力。金山清基实际承担了发展民族品牌的责任。在纸板线方面，高速宽幅是发展趋势。19年开始，我们研发了3.3米幅宽的瓦线，并且在今年初完成了产品的调试与制造，目前将交付到江西一家客户。在瓦线上面的控制系统 DCS 智能控制系统，从订单管理与动作控制，这是传统的，发展到目前走向这个纸板成型工艺过程控制，从辅助开机降低人工，到现在能够辅助维护设备、管理工艺配方，提高这个纸板质量与运行的效率，并控制能耗，并且 DCS 系统与原子仓库、工厂可视化系统ERP 系统可以实现互联互通。在印刷方面，传统的高效联动线在套印精度上不断的提升，同时我们开发了数码印刷机，那么在数码印刷的效果已经逼近于胶印，墨水的成本正在持续降低。智能工厂这一块是我们的新的业务板块，整厂的规划与仿真服务、智能网带式物流、AGV 物流、工厂可视化系统、点翻捆智能联动线、印刷手检系统、立体仓库等系列产品相继研发和投入市场。
谢谢。
Okay, Mr. Hu, would you please talking about allocation and direction of JS Machine R&D? Okay, as Mr. Hu says, empower smart China, build world brand is always our mission. In recent 20 years, we've continuously running the national level R&D center, and now we have new development in recent years. In 2015, we have set up a Center Research Institute, which is specialized and engaged in control algorithm research. And in 2017, JS Machine has merged another research team who is specialized in vision identification technology. In 2019, we've set up our first European R&D center in Italy. And in recent years, with continuous investment in R&D, and with the total number roughly around 50 to 60 million RMB. So adhere to self-innovation and also be open up and cooperate with other research institutes is our way to do the R&D. And actually, JS Machine has undertaken the responsibility to develop a national brand. So in the corrugator, high-end, wide width, and high speed is the trend. So in 2019, JS Machine has developed a wide width corrugator with the design width of 3.3 meters, and it has finished the trial manufacture and test running in recent days. So this line will be delivered to a customer in Jiangxi province. And also the DCS control system, which is built in the corrugator, has developed from the simple order management and action control to now to the sheet production process engineering control, and it also reduced the labor cost, and we also improve the formula to thus to increase the sheet quality, and also have to do a good job in the energy consumption control. And also this system can also be connected and interact with the paper reel warehouse and IBS system, and also the ERP system. So in the printing, apart from continuous increase in the printing registration for the traditional flexos, we've also getting a good job and development in the digital press. So in the digital press, the latest products with the finished products can get in much closer to the offset printing job, and also with continuing in reducing of the ink cost. And also, as we know that smart factory is also a trend of the industry, and it is also a new business unit of JS Machine. So in this unit, we have the overall planning of the factory, and also simulation service, the intelligent logistics mesh belt, and also the AGV logistics, and also the IBS, and also the sheet counting machine, and spot inspection of printing finished products quality, and also the vertical warehousing. So all these products are keeping in the R&D, and also some of them has already been launched into the market. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.